Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me the brand new Toyota Prius Europe version plug-in hybrid that comes with 225 horsepower and also with an electric motor and electric battery that I will explain you as we go in the video. We will test drive it. And I have very limited time with the car, around 30 minutes. In this time I have to drive it, but in the future I will make a separate video where I will make the full review, interior, exterior. As always, more detailed technical data will come also on the channel in the future. But now let's make a test drive, a short test drive, and I try to give you as many information as possible. The car comes also with electric adjustable seats. Press the brake, starts, stop button is right here. The car will start directly in electric mode. I like very much. I think this is like 12.5-inch display. It's really big and it's really visible. I like very much the way they position it, and also I like the new head-up display. Actually it's a cockpit, digital cockpit, but it acts kind of like a head-up display because it's directly in front of you, so you have a very good visibility, peripheral view. It's just perfect. Also, what I notice once I'm here is that the A pillar, it's really sliding down a lot, so I think it helps a lot the aerodynamic of the car. And also the car, it's lower, 15 centimeters the ground clearance. That means you have a better aerodynamic, and the estimated consumption, it's 3.8 liters, and I will give you more information as we go. Here is the stall to change the gear. So once you press the brake, you go left and then forward, and you go in reverse. You can see the reverse camera. It comes with 360 degrees camera, and the camera resolution is quite good. And then you go left and back, and if you go right now one more time back, you go in B mode. That means the car will regenerate more energy when you release the acceleration pedal. Then you have a few different driving modes here. When I don't know if you can see it in the front, you have like eco, normal, sport and custom. You can customize yourself. We will drive in eco mode first of all. I don't have too much time to give you more information, so let's drive the car. The sound insulation in the car, it's really good. I barely hear noise from outside, and it's really silent. First impression, it's like really smooth. It feels really premium and good quality. We have McPherson independent suspension in the front, and on the rear wishbone, so the suspension should be really good. It comes with 225 horsepower, front wheel drive, electric motor, petrol engine, 4 cylinders in line. Both drive the front wheel of the car. Also 86 I think is the range, only in electric mode. You can drive the car only in electric mode up to 86 kilometers. This is estimated VLTP. Also I like the fact that they bring the physical button down here, so you don't have to reach out in the multimedia, and I like that. Also I see that it's much more responsive. Also you have a graphic design. If you go here, I think where is this energy flow, that shows you what happened with the energy while you're driving. Where we should go?
Go straight down.
Straight. No, it feels really good. Also the steering wheel quality. Here on the side we have soft material. It feels nice. Also the seats are quite comfortable. It's silent inside here. It's quite low. I feel like I'm sitting low on the ground. I like that. And it is extremely silent. Also the steering wheel, it's quite soft. It's very assisted. brakes and the pedal feel smooth and nice, good quality. Yeah, as you probably know, Toyota make really good quality. I like it. Also, it has auto hold function, I think. Here, right here, you can activate, so if you release the acceleration, the car will hold for you. And electronic handbrake. You can adjust the steering wheel up, down, depend how you want it. Also, this new digital cockpit shows you a lot of information right there, so the car can read the traffic speed limit. And it comes with the latest safety feature from Toyota. Also, if you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, you can see the car, test drive the car, and buy the car from Toyota. How is the garage name?
Schlieren.
Schlieren, Toyota Schlieren. It's around Zurich, where it's in Zurich. So I will leave the link in the description of the video, so if you wanna check them out, the link will be there, guys. So they are super nice and they will help you with any question you have. So visibility around the windows, it's pretty good, even though they lowered a little bit this A pillar here. And also I don't feel like I have a blind spot in this area, so it's great visibility. And I'm driving in the city where you need the most. I will go like left.
Go left.
I think I forget to reset the consumption, but I will make another video special with consumption test, and we will see what kind of consumption we will get. The car comes also with ventilated seats, right? Wow, cool. I didn't expect that. Heated seats, ventilated seats. And the price of the car, it's around 38,000, I think. How much? Give me this. It was like 34,000 is the basis entry level. This one, plug-in hybrid, 50,000. Yeah, around 50,000 francs. I will add the price in dollars and also in euro for those of you that wanna see that.
You can go on the right side.
Not a good price, not a bad price for what this car offer. And as you probably know, Toyota have also 7 or 10 years warranty, right? On Toyota, 10 years warranty is really good comparison with the competitors. And also it's much more attractive. The exterior design look really nice. I really like the design. In comparison with the previous version, I think it looks beautiful. Good visibility on the cockpit, also on the multimedia, and also very easy to reach out, different buttons here. Great comfort over the seats. And also I think those are leather seats or are like vegan, do you know? I don't know, sure to tell you. Know these seats are leather. Real? The seats are leather or is like vegan? Synthetic. It's like vegan, like
yes.
Yeah, and eco-friendly. So this is cool, and also they feel really soft and nice. I like it. I like the way it feels here. Nice. Also, you have 360 degrees camera here, and also the active parking assist. I think it has also this function where the car will help you park. So it comes with a lot of safety features and comfort features. But yeah, when I will get a little bit more time, I will present you the car in detail. Blind spot technology in the corners of the mirror. The most impressive thing is that the sound insulation in a crowded city like Zurich, it's crazy good. I barely hear something from outside, and this in comparison with Tesla, for example, let's say, it's much better. It's probably one of the best sound insulation that I see in this class. And we drive until now only in electric mode, so it's just crazy good. If you drive daily up to, let's say, 60 kilometer to work and home, you can have this car. It's just perfect. Just charge it and you'll have like an electric car, and if you go in holiday, you can use the petrol. You can use the petrol engine. Straight?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm not sure if the car will show you the consumption from where we start. I don't remember exactly. How can I see that? Yeah, we will check in the end. Also, the suspension feel quite good, soft over the bumps, the potholes. It feels comfortable. I didn't expect to be that good. Feel also relatively light to drive, and I like that. I don't know if you go here to the drive information. By the way, the car comes also with solar panel over the roof. I don't know, it's an option. This one have also. Yeah, it comes also with this solar panel, so the car will actually recharge the battery directly from the solar panel, and you can gain a few kilometers daily if the car will stay outside in the sun, or even when it's cloud like this, you can recharge it, but with less energy. So that's an extra plus for the car.
On the right. On the right.
And now in B mode I can feel how the car regenerates the energy back into the battery, because I drive in B mode. So when you release the acceleration right now, it's regenerate a little bit more. It's acting like a brake. And if you put it back in drive, I think now it's in drive or not, just like that. Now it's in drive, and now it's just rolling, and this is also great option to have it on the car. On the left. And if I'm not wrong, I can see there are like 3 levels of regenerative brake, right? Or not? I don't know. Or maybe it's just B mode. I'm not sure. I will test anyway, guys. When I have more time with the car, I will test everything. I will make new videos, but this one is just a short presentation because I have the time with the car. I have the chance, but I have a limited time. I will go left, right?
Yes.
Nice. Also the steering wheel, it's good quality. Also physical button on the steering wheel. You can adjust different settings from here. Here it's the cruise control and autopilot, and here you can control the cockpit and the settings there. Otherwise the software is the same as on the other Toyotas. Also new Corolla and the new RAV4 facelift come with the same software, and it's much more responsive than what was before. It's much better. Also it feels different being inside this car. I don't know, it feels much more premium, much nicer. The dashboard design, the ambient light, it feels much more modern that I feel in, for example, Corolla. I think in this one they put even more work, and I really like the car. didn't even start the petrol engine.
Here you can go right.
Right here?
Yes.
Over the bumps is doing lovely. It's great comfort. Even though the ground clearance is low, it's super comfortable. So it's a perfect all-arounder family car. Where I should go? Left?
You want to drive longer? Because we have
More time?
yes, we have
No, I think it's
6 minutes.
I think it's fine. Maybe I will come to the garage and then I'll have time. For the moment, I think
turn
round and
here
then. But thank you very much for the time. It's really light. That's the steering wheel. It's crazy light. Assisted. I like it. And this is an eco mode. I think if we change also the driving modes will be different. Here is the.
Yes. No.
You mean for?
Yes.
Where is the Volvo?
Yes. There's
Okay.
the Volvo.
I think I will go with back like that.
Yes.
We'll test one more time the cameras. Alright. And then we go left and forward and then we can park the car. And you can park the car really easy because it has these 360 degrees cameras. It's like impossible to miss the parking spot. It comes with sensors and all kind of, yeah. It's okay like this, right? And
Yes.
then parking button. So that was the short test drive, guys. If you want to see the other videos, I await you on the channel probably next week. So click the subscribe button if you didn't do it yet. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, thank you very much for watching my videos. If you want to see the car, if you are from Switzerland, in Switzerland around here, check out in Zurich, Emil Frey in
Schlieren.
Schlieren, Emil Frey in Schlieren. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.